Manmohan Singh, who held the top post for two consecutive terms between 2004 and 2014, was seen as an architect of India's economic liberalization, which changed the country's growth trajectory. The first Prime Minister since Jawaharlal Nehru to return to power, Singh was also the first Sikh to assume the top office, known as the soft-spoken technocrat. He had earlier headed India's central bank, served as a finance secretary and a minister, and led the opposition in the upper house of the parliament. Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has arrived at the former PM Manmohan Singh's residence and offers condolences to his family. All right, viewers, now in fact joining me for more is my colleague Mehendi Garg. Mehendi, now in fact after Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Vice President Jagdeep Dhankar has also visited the residence of former late Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, and he has also offered his tributes and prayers to the family.
All the big leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, reaching at the residence of Manmohan Singh, and right now we are in front of the residence only, and all the big leaders are reaching here to pay their last tributes. And earlier in the day, we all saw Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, also JP Nadda, all the big leaders have came here, and now Jagdeep Dhankar, the Vice President, has also reached here and paid his last tributes. And apart from that, various statements are also coming, and people are posting on their X platforms and giving statements and giving homage and tributes and their condolences to the families and also to the former Prime Minister of India, late Manmohan Singh. And right now, all the big leaders of the Congress party has also reached. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra reached here, and Sonia Gandhi is also expected to come here and pay her last tribute. So yes, all the big leaders are coming, and apart from that, also all the leaders are giving their statements, saying that this is an end of an era, and the role that Manmohan Singh has played in the economy of India was unimaginable, and no words to be can be said on that. So all these statements are coming from the political leaders also, and yes, people are very saddened by this saddened news that has happened, and all the big leaders are reaching the residence as of now, and Manmohan Singh's family will also be reaching here, whether it's his daughter, and she will also be reaching here late in the night. Yes, Simran.
Okay, all right, Mehendi. I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast, where we also get more breaking updates. Now, national flag draped over the bier carrying the mortal remains of former PM Dr. Manmohan Singh at his residence in the national capital. Mehendi, as we can see in the visuals, in fact, the national flag is being draped over the bier carrying the mortal remains of the former PM Manmohan Singh at his residence in Delhi. When exactly will the mortal remains will be allowed for the public to also pay their respects?
Well, indeed, Simran, we are seeing the visuals also that the national flag is, the visuals are very clear right now. I'm talking about then when can the normal public can come here and pay their tributes. Then the Congress officials have made a statement that by today also in the residence of Manmohan Singh, the people can come and pay their tributes. But apart from that, tomorrow there is a happening that the mortal of late Manmohan Singh can be taken to the AICC headquarters, and there also the public can go there to pay their last tributes. And right now the Indian flag is being, the mortal of Manmohan Singh is being covered by the Indian flag, and these are the visuals that we are showing also. So yes, the general public can also pay their tributes and condolences by coming to the residence here today, and apart from today, they can also reach the AICC headquarters tomorrow, because it is expected that around 1 or 2 p.m. The mortal of late former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh will be taken tomorrow from his residence to the AICC headquarters.